Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can fix this error. Intel HAXM is required to run this AVD in Android Studio. So when you're trying to run your application and you are facing this error, there are a number of things that you need to check. Now, the first thing that you need to check is to ensure that your system has an Intel processor with Intel VTX technology enabled in the BIOS settings. So depending on which motherboard that you have, you need to go into BIOS and check to make sure that you have Intel VTX. Now, another thing that you need to do is disable Hyper-V on your Windows computer. So go to your control panels and then click on Programs and Features down here. Next, click on Turn Windows Features on or off. And over here, you want to go down and make sure Hyper-V is not selected. So if it's selected, make sure you deselect Hyper-V and click on OK. Now, another thing that you need to check is to make sure that HAXM is installed. So here you can click on the OK button. And in Android, you want to open up. So let's go through this first. So I'm going to click on Next. And here it said, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I click on Yes. And it said install Intel HAXM installed successfully. And it's done. So click on the Finish button down here. So click on Finished and click on Cancel. Now in here, I'll click on the menu item and we go across to Tools and then click on SDK Manager. In SDK Manager, you go down and click on Android SDK over here. Now in here, you want to click on SDK Tools tab at the top, and then in here we scroll down and make sure Intel x86 Emulator HAXM installer is selected, and then click on OK. Now the next thing that you need to do is to restart your computer and go into your BIOS setup. And in your BIOS setup, you need to enable Intel VTX from the BIOS settings. Now because we all have a different motherboard, so the settings will be somewhat different. So you need to actually go in there and look around and find Intel VTX and make sure it is turned on. Once that is turned on, you should be able to restart your Android Studio and run the application without any more issue. And that's it, give that a try. If that still gives you a problem, you probably need to update the drivers on your computer. You may need to also disable the security software temporarily, or you may need to reinstall HAXM. So if necessary, uninstall and reinstall HAXM on your computer. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, so if you have already gone to BIOS and turned on the Intel feature, and if you still have an issue, then the next thing that you can try is to go into this folder here. So open up your Windows Explorer and you go into C drive, user, and then your username, your profile or username, and then app, data, local, Android, SDK, extras, Intel. So you follow that path and then you go in here and you want to open up HAXM. So double click on that file and then click on Yes to install, and then click on Yes, and then click on Next. So install that application. Now because I have already installed it, so it will not allow me to install it again. So we're going to let this complete. Okay, so give this a try because doing this, it definitely helped me solve my issue. So I click on Finished And if I click on the run button now, this time it does not give me that Intel error message anymore. And that's it. I can run the application now. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.